Hey, this is a quick tutorial how to use the app Screencast-O-Matic on your Chromebook. First thing that you need is to have Screencast-O-Matic, so you'll want to swipe up from the shelf and find the web store. Once you open up the web store, you'll see on the left-hand side there's this blue button that says Student Web Store, or if you wish, you can search the store using the search box up here. If I go on down, then I can find Screencast-O-Matic. I already have Screencast-O-Matic on my Chromebook, so it's going to look slightly different from yours. But on the right-hand side here, where mine says Launch App, you'll have a little blue box that says Add to Chrome. You'll click on that, then the pop-up will come up, and you'll want to click on Add App. Once you've got Screencast-O-Matic uploaded, then all you've got to do to open it is, again, go down to the shelf, swipe up, go on down and find yourself the app. The app has the blue circle on the outside with the blue circle on the inside. Go ahead and open that up. Now, this share your screen dialog box, you'll see this will open up every time you open up Screencast-O-Matic. I want to click on that and make sure that's highlighted. Now you see I've got share audio clicked and the blue share button is highlighted. I can click on that. And then here I go with my screencast dialog box. I've got a couple different options here. You can simply share your screen. You can also record with your webcam here if you prefer, or you can use both your screen and your webcam if you like. For right now, I am only going to select my screen. Then when I'm ready to go, I can go down here and grab that red record button. I'll get a 3, 2, 1, go. Now it's recording my screen. So if I go down what I wanted to do with Chrome here, now you'll see that my mouse is highlighted in yellow so that you can see everything that I'm going through. Say I would like to click on some things. The screencast is also grabbing the sounds that I've created as well as a location of my mouse. Now say I've got everything I want. Now I can go up here in the upper right hand corner where I've got the Screencast-O-Matic. Click on that. Now I have an option to pause the recording. Pause the recording and I get a different box. Down in the left-hand corner here, I can click Done. Now when I'm done, I've got these options that show up here. I can save it as a video file, upload to Screencast-O-Matic itself, upload to YouTube, and upload to Google Drive. I like saving it as a video file. And if I click on that, now I have the option to do this saved in downloads. I've already created a screencast folder that I like to keep all my screencasts in so I can keep everything straight. If you haven't done that yet, you might want to click on a new folder and keep a new folder for each class and always save your videos to that class folder so you can keep things straight. Then down here at the bottom, you have an option to rename. I'll just rename this thing here. Once I'm done, it's saving that video file. Now you can skip over all of this rating stuff. Now I've got the thing done, and I can click Done whenever I'm ready to go. I hope that this tutorial helps you out, and please let your teacher know if you need further help. Good luck.